Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Hey everybody, I'm Nikki. I live for DIY projects, gardening, cooking, and just being my unique self. It's time to party, baby. Meanwhile, my husband and I are raising our daughter and son, both with special needs. And we can't forget to add Delta and Nala, our German shepherds, to the mix of shenanigans. Yes, it's a lot, but I love it. I love them, so it's all worth it. Welcome to my channel, the everyday life of an OCD-ish chick. Finally, got some color on them. Waiting for this moment. A ripe fig. Well worth the wait. It's only September. Delicious. It's September and things are dying back in the garden. I've got to come in and clean up all of this debris. These are sweet potato leaves. Now they're actually down here in these grow bags there, but they're climbing up. Train it up back up here on this fencing here. Got kale and cilantro coming up. I have plenty of beans inside in the freezer, so I'm just going to let these go and collect the seeds. 4 o'clock. And here are her seeds. Collards, cilantro. Some carrots. I'm curious. Oh, nice. Carrot tops are edible. Young and tender, baby, young and tender. Let's grab up some of this fresh mint. I was definitely hoping for a larger bulb, but it's okay. I'm still going to eat these and enjoy them. I have the rest of my life to keep trying. I'm going to get it. I will. A nice small harvest from the garden. Sierra and candy onions, Swiss chard, brown turkey figs, that's one large tomato, San Marzano tomatoes, a cucumber, fresh mint, okra, an already eaten carrot. This bee is loving me right now. Mixed peppers, the bees and the flies are surrounding my harvest. I've got to get this inside. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.